Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here from LogicTunes, and in this video we are going to test a C program that will calculate the simple interest and compound interest for us. Okay, so let's get into the programming. Here's our program. That so now This is our standard C structure, and we included the math library in our last lecture for using the power function. Okay, so now here we are going to calculate the simple interest and compound interest for some P, R and T. So we know the formulation that simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100, and CI is nothing but P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of time minus 1. Okay, so at first we are going to include some variables that we are going to use. So let's say P, R and T are the variables, and similarly SI and CI are used for the output. And next we are going to declare the values for some values for P, R and T. So let's say 6000 is for the principal principal amount. The rate is nothing but we are going to use it as 4.5, and the time is equals to for 3 years. Okay, so now let's test it out that we apply the formula here. So for SI we are going to use the formula as P into R into T, P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100, and similarly the CI is going to be, that is P multiplied by power of 1 plus, oh sorry, oops, 1 plus R divided by 100, and this has to be powered by T. Okay, so now this is the function, and finally it will be detected by 1. So this is the function we are going to use here, and now as our operations are defined, now we can just go and write the resulting values here. So write it down like simple interest is equals to %f for to represent the floating point values, and the SI value for the simple interest, and we are adding a backslash and to break the line here. Similarly, we are going to include printf and then a simple compound interest statement here. Compound interest is equal to %f, and that breaks the line into the CI variable. Okay, fine. So now let's go and test our program here. Compile for Control F9, and then this for the principal 6000, rate 4.5, and time 3 years, our simple interest gives 810, and the compound interest is the 847 value. Okay, so now let's go and convert this program into a user input program. Okay, so we are going to remove this P, R and T here. So let's go and delete this. Okay, and for that now write it down printf, enter the principal amount. Okay, and then we are going to copy this for 3 lines, principal rate, and enter the rate and enter the time. Another thing we wanted to include here is nothing but the scanf value. Scanf to scan the variables from the user. Okay, so which type of variable we are using? We are using float, and to allocate in the memory we use ampersand and P for principal, and similarly we are going to copy and paste this line of code and for the 3 times here, here and here. Okay, and we can replace this rate for R and time for T. Save it, and again one more line I wanted to include so that we can just separate our input and output is a simple line type thing and with a slash. Okay, so this is our complete program here for the simple interest and compound interest. Let's test it out. Control F9 for the compilation, Control F10, and enter the amount. So we are including the same amount we tested it back so that we can compare our result. So 6000 is our principal amount, the rate is 4.5 and the year is 3. And so we are getting our simple interest is 810 and compound interest is 846.99, which is close to 847. Okay, so this is how we used to we program for simple interest and compound interest. In next program we will get into another basic C program. So hope you will follow our next lecture too. And till then, please like, share, and subscribe this video and channel. And let us make more such video tutorial for you. Thank you.